Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, guys, we are going to be unbagging the Live Glam bag from the month of September 2020. I also did redeem my rewards, so not only will we be unbagging one, we will be unbagging two bags. So if you want to know what it's all about, then just go ahead and keep on watching. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe down below and hit that notification bell so you can be notified for any future video. And let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and begin. So I noticed that this one's bag is different. Usually has like a really cute big red lip in the front. However, the packaging is different this month, and I also do notice that it has like a little tab right here for you to open up your bag, which I really appreciate because I always have a struggle opening up these little bags. So I'm liking this new packaging, I will say that. So guys, we're gonna go ahead and unbag this together. All right, so here is the little card for the month of September 2020. And let's take out the little bag. And this is what it looks like this month. So if you don't know about Live Glam, it's a lippy subscription. It retails for $19.99, $20. They have different subscriptions that you can choose from. Like they have one for like brushes and eyeshadow palettes. I picked out the lippy one, is by far one of my favorites. All right, so let's go ahead and take out the collection. This month, I kept the full collection. I really liked the colors of it, and the packaging, of course, was really, really nice. So this is what the collection looks like for this month. So it looks like we got a lipstick and two matte liquid lipsticks, and they both look kind of like mauve colors, which are one of my favorites. I also do like nudes. And look at this little rhinestone. Like, this packaging is so cute. I love it. And it has like a really nice, a soft, a matte feeling to it. So I feel like we're going to start off with this one. All right, guys. So let's go ahead and begin. And this bullet lipstick is in the name Bougie. And the packaging is really cute, of course. It has a little rhinestone, a little diamond, whatever you want to call it. And on here, it's really hard to see, but it does have the little logo with the little heart, and it says LG for Live Glam. This is what the first shade looks like. Oh my God, I really like this shade. It's so pretty. All right, guys, so let me just swatch it on my hand so you guys can see what the color looks like. That's really pretty, and it feels really nice. When I was swatching it, it was a nice and creamy and buttery, and it looks like it doesn't look matte because it does have like a little sheen on it. So I think it's more of like a satin finish to the lipstick. We're gonna go ahead and try it on. I don't have anything on. Yes, I do. I have lip gloss on. Let me take this off, and we're gonna be trying on this shade, and we will read a little bit more about it as to what it says on the card. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and apply this bullet lipstick onto the lips, and it feels so good. It's nice and creamy. I'm really liking it so far. Okay guys, so here is the lip color on my lips, and I'm really liking it. I feel like it complements my eyeshadow look. I think it really goes with my whole makeup look that I got going on for the day. So this is what it looks like. It's really, really nice. It's like it's a little bit brown, but mauve. Not sure how to describe it, but it's a really nice shade, and it applied really well, and it feels really comfortable on the lips overall. So just reading a little bit more about this shade. So it's called Bougie, like I had mentioned. And it says this mauve brown bullet. Oh, it's a brown. Okay, so there's a mauve brown bullet lipstick is comfortable like your work from home days sweats, but gives you the bougie boost you need to look your best in quarantine. So here we go. This is what the shade looks like. Okay guys, so next we are gonna go ahead and move along to the next shade. Here it is. This is what it looks like. I'm really liking the packaging this month. It's really nice. The lid has like a rose gold metallic shade on top. It's really nice, and I absolutely love their liquid lipsticks because they're super long lasting. They're very durable. They last all day. Literally one application is all you need. This is what the applicator looks like, so you can really outline your lips and do like really nice detail on your lips. This is what it looks like. Let me swatch it to see what this shade really looks like. It looks like a dark burgundy shade. I think this shade is so beautiful for fall. My swatch looks a little bit patchy. Let me try that again. Okay, here we go. This is the shade right here. It's a really nice, I like these colors for fall. They're super vampy and really nice. It just goes with the whole season. So we're gonna go ahead and try this shade on. Oh, the name of this shade is called Ladies Night. So I also noticed that the whole theme of this month is quarantine and chill. And it's really nice. It's so nice. I like the whole vibe of it. So let's go ahead and try on this shade to see what it looks like on myself. Okay guys, so here is the second shade on my lips. What do you guys think? It looks lighter on the packaging, I think because it has like the frosted bottle. It's a little bit darker, so it's now starting to dry out. And I really like this shade, like this wine shade. I really like it. Okay, so let's read a little bit more about Ladies Night. So this one right here, girls. So this one is your Ladies Night may be virtual this year, but your pout can still slay. This deep plum shade is the perfect addition to the girls' night out. So that's what it says. It's a plum shade. Yeah, it is a plum shade. It's really pretty. It's nice and vampy, perfect for fall. And again, I love the packaging. It's so freaking cute. Okay, let's go ahead and move on to our last shade from this month's collection. Okay guys, so we are now gonna try on shade number 3 of this month's collection. This is what it looks like. It's so cute. This one looks like it's a little rosy shade, like a mauve. Again, I love the applicator. Very nice. Let me go ahead and swatch it. Oh, actually, it looks a little bit pinkish now that I take it out. This is the shade right here. And the shade of this one is called Happy Hour. So let's go ahead and try this on our lips. See what it looks like. Oh Lord, I hope it doesn't wash me out. It looks a little pale. Okay guys, so this is what the lippy looks like on my lips, and I actually really like it. I thought it was gonna be a little bit too muted, but once it dried down, it's a really nice color, and I think it goes with everything. I really like it. So this one is called Happy Hour, and just reading a little bit more about this shade on here, it says, this is a classic, your lips but better. It's a pinky nude shade that will make any hour a happy hour, even if you're mixing those drinks at home. So I really like this shade. This one's really cute. By far, this one is my favorite from this month's collection. They were all really good and nice. However, this one is by far my favorite this month. All right, guys, so I do want to talk a little bit about this subscription because I had mentioned in my previous video that you can trade out your collection. You can trade out a lippy, and I want to show you guys how to do that because I think some of you guys weren't really sure how to do it. So I'm going to log in. So that's the first thing that you want to do is log into your liveglam account. So let me go ahead and do that. Okay guys, so what you want to do is you want to log into your account. This is what your account's going to look like. I'll share mine. So you're gonna go to your dashboard, which is this one right here. All right, guys, so then you go to your dashboard and you're able to see how many points you have earned. If you have had any referrals, it'll show on there. It'll show like your status. I am currently a silver. And then in 15 days, they're gonna reveal their new collection for October. So that's something that you can look out for. So on there, if you keep scrolling, you can see the past collections that they've had. And then you can go to trade collection. Or, okay, we'll start there. So you can go to trade collection, and then on there, it's gonna tell you if you wanna trade the whole collection. Like, let's say I didn't like the month of September, but I wanted to get the month of April or whatever, a whole different collection, you can go ahead and choose out that collection, and they won't send you out the one from September. So you can pick and choose what collection you want. If you wanna trade out the whole thing, or if not, if you want to trade out just a single lippy, then you would choose here. And then it would give you options of which lippy you don't want to have. And then you can trade it out for a lippy from a past collection. So it's really easy. I love this subscription because it's very flexible. I really like that. So you should be super happy with what you get because you're available to trade it out. So if you didn't know, now you know, girl. All right, anyhow, I really like this as well, the subscription. I haven't seen this in any other subscriptions, or at least not the ones that I have anyway. But it does give you an option to cancel your subscription. You can skip a month. So if I wanted to skip October, and then get November, then I can go ahead and do that on here. Once you log in, you can skip it. And it's really easy as well for billing. It gives you like your options of which day you want to get billed. And it's just very, very flexible. It's very convenient. I really love this subscription. Anyhow, so talking about the subscription, I was able to redeem some of my rewards. So I guess a month by month, you start accumulating points. And you can also go in there and you can redeem however many points you have. I think I had like 800. So I went around and then I was just scrolling to see what they had. So I did redeem 2 different items. I think you can choose from lippies and brushes. They each have different like price points or points, whatever that they're worth. So I was able to redeem some of my rewards. So we're gonna go ahead and unbag this. So these are pretty much free because you accumulate points, and you also do accumulate points if you have like referrals or something like that. I think that's how it works. If you have referrals, you also do accumulate points. So you get a free lippy, and the person that used your link or whatever it's called, they also do get like an extra lippy for the month once they sign up. All right, guys, so these were the rewards that I chose. These are the 2 colors. Oh my God, I like this packaging. I did not get this collection. It's so cute. I don't think I was subscribed back then, but this is really cute. It has like all these little sprinkles on here. So cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this shade on my hand. The name of it is called Paris. This is so pretty. It looks really similar to this color. It's probably a little bit different. Oh God. Let's see how I swatch with my left hand. Okay, so here is the shade. It looks similar. It looks really similar. But since this is my favorite, I'm pretty sure I'm really gonna like this shade. And it's a nice creamy and a smooth once I applied it, so I know I'm gonna love that shade. And then I also did pick this one out. Is really pretty as well, and this one is in the shade called Teddy Bear. Yeah, it's called Teddy Bear. Oh my God, it's so cute. Okay, let me swatch it again with my left hand. I can't swatch here because I have the other swatches, but let's see how this shade looks like. Oh, I like this one too. Oh my God, I suck swatching. Okay, anyhow, well, whatever. This is what it looks like. So this is it. This is what I got for free. I highly suggest this subscription if you want to grow your lippy collection, which sucks because we have to wear the mask when you go out, so you can't really see your lips. But either which way, I really don't care. Ooh, I like all of them. So freaking cute. Anyhow, guys, I think that's going to be it for today. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about the subscription, or if you're subscribed, what shade was your favorite. Let me know in the comments down below. And I think that's going to be it for today. Don't forget to leave your girl a big thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.